Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today is New Year's Day, and I wanted to get the new year started off right with getting some other stuff in my business taken care of between all of my businesses, really. I hope you guys enjoyed the live streams on the Driven Wyld Discord server. I think we're going to do that every Wednesday from now on at 9 o'clock. I don't know if we're keeping it that way or if we're changing it, whatever. Feel free to join us there. That's number one. And number two, today I have had to have some uncomfortable conversations about professionalism, punctuality, and communication with some people that I am partnered with. Not necessarily those who I have working for me. And honestly, there are some things that I don't love to do in business. And that is have those and that is those really uncomfortable conversations. To me, it's not that hard to show up on time. It's not that hard to send a text message. And I get it. Some people have multiple businesses. Some people have other things going on, and you have to have some level of empathy. But I also keep hearing that every time there's an issue. And I want to leave the nonsense in 2024. So I've had conversations with the disaster relief team I'm working with, especially since now the contractors we are working with have a lot more stricter guidelines, so I need them to be on their stuff. I'm gonna have that conversation with other people that I am working with. I knew that I would have this issue with people that I bring on to the company. I knew that I would have this issue with people that are not necessarily as invested into what I'm doing as I am because they're not necessarily a partner of any kind. I didn't expect that out of literal partners, though. But that's to be expected. We got a lot of really good things coming along, and I need people to be on their game. This year is going to be absolutely insane, but we need to be on our game. And it's a frustrating feeling because to me, it's a no-brainer. To me, it's a natural thing for me to be on my stuff like that. Some people need a level of pressure. Some people need a level of everything going on. And I don't want to have to be the boss to my partners, but apparently I got it. And not to mention, this is not exactly a season that I can really be lackadaisical either. I can't continuously be on everybody's stuff because it's also a big season for gig work too. At least in my market. A lot of people see a dip in orders in January, February, March, and that's true. In January, February, March around here, it's not simply less orders coming in. It's actually more orders coming in. And this is snowbird season. This is vacation time. There are so many more people in my general area. So therefore, I will have more quality orders. I've had to decline so many orders today because I was expecting a phone call from one of my partners that apparently got delayed. And it's frustrating. I can't continuously be on call for extensive hours, waiting for them to answer me back in a text message at the very least. Because affecting my income, it's affecting my work, and I just need somebody to pay attention long enough so we can move forward with this business. I can't keep waiting for you to keep delaying the business. But we are moving forward in a lot of good ways, so I can't keep getting mad about it. It's just a nonsense level of nonsense, and we're gonna get things really rolling from now on. This is gonna be a good time for us. We got a big year coming. I can't keep waiting for everyone. Either way, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. The live streams on YouTube will be active on Tuesday, and Discord is now going to be on Wednesdays. I think I said that already, but I'll just say it again. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time.